Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to remove black spots from your face using tomato and sugar. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. So the first thing we are going to do is wipe off dirt from the face before we start applying. We are not going to apply on a dirty face, so just ensure you remove that, and then you cut your tomato into 4 halves just as I am doing in this video, and make sure you use a fresh tomato. It's very essential because we need nutrients in order for it to work. So you dip 1 half into sugar and apply it all over the face just as I am doing in this video, in a circular motion or up and down, whichever way. The aim is to get the nutrients absorbed into the skin, and as you all know, tomatoes are very rich in vitamins and they reduce excess sebum on the skin, and that in turn reduces the formation of excess oil on your skin. And the moment the fats on your skin reduce, the probability of forming acne and pimples is very low. Tomato also shrinks the pores and tightens the skin, and that helps reduce the chances of getting acne and pimples. It also reduces the chances of blackheads and whiteheads. Yeah, so in case you're wondering the importance of sugar, guys, sugar is very essential in that it draws moisture from the environment to the skin, and by so doing, the skin gets moisturized and smooth. So after scrubbing it this well, so we are going to leave it to dry. We'll give it around, I think, 10 to 20 minutes to dry up. So as you can see, it's all dry, it's become sticky, and you'll just know it has dried up when it becomes sticky. So we'll come in with hot or warm water and our face towel. Dip the face towel and rinse it and wipe our face smoothly to remove the scrub from our face, or you can go wash it off in the shower, there's no problem, but I prefer using a face towel. I've always mentioned this even in my previous videos. I don't know why I find it interesting, or it feels very smooth, it feels very moisturized. It feels very smooth. You can even notice the difference before I applied it and right now after applying it. And one thing I have to mention, after doing this routine, just go to sleep. Do it at night and go to sleep, or give it 2 hours if you do it during daytime, and then after 2 hours make sure you apply some oil on your face to keep your skin moisturized. Okay, yeah, so this after 2 hours I came in with my Vaseline. I like Vaseline a lot. It performs well on my skin. Don't use Vaseline if it doesn't go well with your skin. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe.